Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make hardware store website using Wix. Wix is a website builder that you can use for completely free, so you'll be able to create your website without entering your credit card or anything like that to get started. So I want you to go onto wix.com, then from there you're going to tap on get started, and you can sign up using your email address or your Facebook account. Once you have tapped on get started and you have signed up, I want you to tap on create new site. Then once you're redirected to this page, you're going to tap on set up without chat. And you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in hardware, so you can do that real quick. And you can see the option hardware store. You're going to select that option. Then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can enter in your business name. So for example, I'll just call this test. Then you'll tap on continue. And from there, you can tap on whether you are already selling online or not. So I'm going to select no. Then I'm going to tap on continue. And we'll be selling physical products. Then from there, if you are offering services, you can select that. And then we'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can see right there, how are you offering your products? Would you like online, create a website with a complete checkout experience, and also sell in retail stores? I'm going to be selecting both options. Then we'll tap on continue and we're going to select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, I'll now be showing you how to add your products. To add products, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to hover over catalog. Then you're going to select store products. After selecting store products, you can see some sample products right here. To remove these, you'll simply tap on the box at the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on more actions and you could tap on delete to delete all of them. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on new product in the top right hand corner and you can select physical product. After selecting physical product, you could upload an image right here. So for example, let's say you could upload an image of a hammer or so on. Then you'll scroll down and you'll enter the product name. You can also enter the product description. And if you'd like to add any special section or information, you can do that right there. Then you'll set the price for the product. And you can also enter in the price that you purchased it for. So you'll be able to calculate your profit margin. And you can scroll down and from there, you can enter the amount that you have in stock. So you'll be able to track your inventory by toggling this on. And you can also offer pre-order if you want by toggling this on, and you'll simply tap on save. And that's how you'll be able to enter all of your products. So you can create all of your products right there. After you have added all of your products, what you're going to do next, you're going to tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. After selecting getting paid, you're going to tap on connect payment method. And from here, you can connect the different payment options depending on the country you're located in. So this varies depending where you're located. Keep in mind, you can connect PayPal for free, but any other payment option, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. But it is quite affordable and definitely worthwhile. After you have connected the different payment options, there are a few things that I would like to show you also. Like how you're creating an hardware store, more than likely persons will ask you for quotations. So this is where you'll be able to create quotations that you can send to clients. So you can tap on price quotes from the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on create price quotation. You can also tap on proposals, and from there you'll be able to create proposals that you can share. So these are definitely some good information or good products or advantages to have for your hardware store. You can also create invoices that you can send right there to get paid. So after doing that, you can tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And from here, I want you to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see different templates that you can choose from. And if you don't see a template that you like, you could go onto page 2 and you can also tap on the search bar and you can type in something else to search. but I'm going to be selecting this one, so I'll tap on edit. Or you could tap on the box and you could type in some information that you would like to be added onto your site and tap on generate site text on the Wix AI would compose content. But normally I would close that box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and from here we can start editing our website. To edit your website, all you need to do is hover over the section you like to change, then tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. From here you could change the column background by tapping on change. You can also change the title, you can change the paragraph as you can see right here, and also the background image. It's as easy as that. And we could tap on this section, and again you could change all the images on this section and also all of the text from the right hand column. That's basically it. All you have to do is tap on the section you want to change, then from there you can edit it. And this is where your products will be displayed, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down you can also see the different categories. So this is where the different categories will be, and also any special offers that you want to promote. You can scroll down and you can see how it would look right there. So you can see it right there. And to view all the pages on your website, you can tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see all of the pages, so you can see all of the different departments or categories, as you can see right there. If I were to select lawn and gardening, you can see a example right there. And remember, these are the sample products. You would have your own original products right there. And you can also see that the footer section looks very professional. It has in your contact information and so on. And to edit all of these information, you'll simply tap in the top left hand corner, right where I showed you earlier. And then from there, for example, you could scroll down and you can select any section. So you could select my addresses right there. And from there, you'll be able to set up your business address, as you can see right there. Once this loads up, you can see right there my addresses, and you can tap on quick edit and you could edit that. If it is a case that you would like to add an element that you don't see, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can choose to add text, image, or anything at all to the website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Keep in mind that if you're going to use any other paid option that you would like to use to receive payments better yet, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.